Hello, everybody. Nice to see you this week. I'm Ryan. This is Tabitha, and welcome to Locked in Science. It's nice to see all of you. If you, presuming that I'm seeing all of you, I'm actually seeing my own computer screen and my daughter. So hopefully we're looking at each other. This is our home, and we're coming to you in yours. We hope that you're well, and we're going to do some science with you today. So we're going to be using a few more ingredients than we usually do, but hopefully there's something you have around the house. And today, because I think we could all use a bit of relaxation, we're going to be making bath bombs. Ooh, bath bombs. So if you don't know what a bath bomb is, it is it's a thing that you drop into the bath, and it fizzes and it turns your bath a fun color and it smells nice and all these lovely bits. So we're going to be making them. It's really easy to make them at home and really fun. And yeah, someone's excited. And we'll show you how to make them. So what you're going to need if you want to get things out of your cabinet, and this is a pretty easy thing that you can follow along with. And here, if you have any questions, ask us, and Tabby will answer all of your questions. And we can
I know how to answer questions. That is very easy for me.
Yes. So the things you're going to need are, let's get them out: baking soda, cornstarch, lemon juice, coconut oil, or if you don't have any coconut oil, like we don't because we use the last of it to make the last bath bombs, almond oil also works. And water, and then if you have essential oils are good. You may be wondering what essential oils are doing in a science thing, but it's because they smell nice. Oh, and of course, I almost forgot food coloring. You're probably also going to want 2 bowls. And if you have, they do make bath bomb molds, but you're going to want to have something that you can use as a mold. Cookie tins work great. We're going to use this one that Tabby got for her birthday. Okay, we're going to use this one that Tabby got for her birthday, which is dinosaur mold. So we're going to be making dinosaur bath bombs. But it is important that you have your mold ready because these do pretty quickly. All right. So with your baking soda, you're going to want to separate out half a cup of baking soda. A half a cup of baking soda. And you're going to want a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Cornstarch can be messy, so you're going to want to get it out with a spoon or a fork or something like that. Okay. For lemon juice, you're going to want about 1 ounce, or 1/8 of a cup of this. And then for your almond oil or coconut oil, whichever one you happen to have, it's going to be a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon. A tablespoon. That's an amount, sweetheart. And then for your water, you're going to want to have about 1/2 tablespoon, maybe 1/2 to a little more than 1/2 of water. So the first thing we're going to do is combine the dry ingredient. I'm just going to start. When you're ready, you come over, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is combine your dry ingredients. So first we'll put in the baking soda. Put the baking soda. Now, when we put baking soda in, it may remind you of doing the classic thing that we did a couple weeks ago, where we did baking soda and vinegar, because baking soda will fizz when it interacts with vinegar. The reason it does that is that it's got a high pH and it fizzes, becomes unstable when it interacts with something with a low pH. Vinegar is a classic example of that. But what we're going to do is use, instead, because we don't want our bath bombs to be really vinegary, because that would be pretty gross, right, Tabs?
Yeah, I don't like vinegar. It doesn't smell good.
Yeah. We don't want them to be
vinegar smells horrible.
Word on the street. Because vinegar would not be good in the bath, we are going to use something that would be good in the bath, and that's the lemon juice. So I'm going to talk about the reaction with that in a little bit. So now, Tabs, can you pour this cornstarch in? Okay. So you got your dry ingredients together, and while I'm talking, I'll mix this up. You're gonna want to whisk your. If you have a whisk, that would be great. Because wisdom in this house is that whisks are just hard to clean forks. We're using a fork. Okay. And then you're going to mix some, but not all, of your wet ingredients in a separate bowl. Okay? Some, but not all. We're going to take the lemon juice, so you can pour the lemon juice in. Yep. Right into this one. Very good. And also... and also the almond oil or coconut oil. Coconut oil probably would be best for you. Okay.
Daddy, it smells good.
Does it? Okay. You know what? Hold